Hey, what's up, you guys? Today, hey, what's up, you guys? Yes. Today we are in Port Aransas, I think, and we're leaving our hotel room. Let me show y'all the view real quick. No sun whatsoever. Where are all the babes? I need to take a hit of whatever you're smoking over there.
Tobacco.
Tobacco. What?
Are you still cruising?
Cruising down the street in my 6'4"?
Yeah, for real. How do you spell it?
Okay, cruising down the street in my 6'4". Here, you want to spell it for you? No, I'm gonna
She's
spell
mad. You're
I'm
mad,
sure-
Mom?
No.
When you come to the beach to clear your mind of all these things, and then your wife comes out on the radio. Proud of you, Camila. Let's go look for some babes. I don't know if I'll find any. There's no one. There's all these old people. Hopefully next time I come here I'll have a bae. Maybe I shouldn't focus so much on being alone. Maybe I'm meant to be alone for a while. You know what I would want? I would want to find a girl who loves you doing YouTube videos as much as I do. Maybe we can be a vlog couple, a YouTube couple. That would be cool. If there's any girls out there that are interested and want to deal with my weirdness, leave it down in the comments. Leave your numbers. Just kidding. Life is more than just finding someone to be with. Like, of course you don't want to be alone your whole life. Nobody does, but then if I die a lonely old lady, then maybe that's my destiny. But I don't know, I hope 2018 is a good year for my videos, for everything. There's a dog. Dog? Oh man, no, no. They keep playing Camila's songs on the radio.
Oh.
Shut up. Eh.
You'll find someone. Like I've been telling you. Gotta learn how to let go.
Let go of what, Mom?
Let go of Rebecca.
Don't say her name on the camera.
Because she's not the only one, you know. There's a lot of plenty women out there. There's pretty ones out there too. We'll see.
What are you trying to say? That there's prettier ones out there?
Oh, it doesn't matter pretty or whatever, but there is somebody out there.
I like turtles.